What's up, everybody? What's up? This is Investopia. We're back. Hopefully, you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. We are excited to be back with you here today. Really excited to be here with you today. Hopefully, you can hear me. Go ahead and like and subscribe if it's your first time. We are back. It's been a minute since we have been on. Yeah, it's been a very long time since we've been on. Want to make sure that we are live. Looks like we're live. Looks like we're live. Looks like we're live. Looks like we're live. I think we're live. Let me know if you guys can hear me and see me. All right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, looks like it. Looks like. Looks like it. Looks like. Look like it. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, we're live. Let's go. All right. Super, super excited to be here with you guys. This has been a minute, a long time, but with so much stuff has been happening. Go ahead and put the link in everybody's chat. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about crypto right now. When should I buy Bitcoin? 2026. We had an amazing ride. Crazy halving, but we did get up to 118. If you guys followed any of some of our educational advice, everything that we say on here is educational, of course. We're doing a little transition that's happening here on the YouTube page, and we're going to be ready from now on. We've got a lot of stuff, a lot of things are happening in the trading world, and we want to make sure that you guys get it. So share the link, like, and subscribe, and let's really get this thing going. I'm gonna go ahead right on into it and share my screen to make sure that you guys get a spot. How many of y'all want a spot? In some of the areas that we've been looking at lately. I'm gonna show you some stuff that we've been talking about. And again, everything is for educational purposes only. Trading is a risk, and we want to see you succeed, but you want to make sure that you understand that disclaimer. Everything is in the bottom of our bottom of here in this particular YouTube channel. So you can go over that and read that. But what is Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin doing? I do want to tell you, this is not going to be a long video. It's going to be a short video, but everybody is like panicking, and I want to show you why everybody is panicking. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen a little bit. Share my screen. Let's go. I want to share my screen. All right, let's see if we can go ahead and share my screen. Let me know if you're on live with me that you can see what's going on here. I'm trying to share my screen. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's been a minute. Last minute. Let's see. Can't share screen. Screen is not allowed. Oh, okay. Well, I don't understand why I can't share my screen. But if I can't share my screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video recording on when to buy Bitcoin. If y'all know where it is right now, I've been looking at it at 59K. Okay, I've been looking at. Oh, here we go. I think I got it. Been looking at it at 59K. Let's see if it pops up. Oh, there it is. Let's go. All right. So we've been looking at Bitcoin, and I want to just talk a little bit about it. Some of our trading team has been in this major sale. We knew it was going to be a bull trap way up here at about 70K, 77, 78. I got all my lines and stuff on the chart here, but we've been selling Bitcoin since 82. We can go to the weekly right here and check it out. I'm giving some free game to people who are in our Facebook community as well. Want to welcome you guys as well, whether you get it live or recording. But we wanted to get out some free game. We got 200 spots open in our Facebook community, all free for education, to let you know what we're doing here with in our wealth building community. Hashtag we trade hard, okay? But we have been selling Bitcoin. Of course, we've been in this bearish cycle after the halving. Bitcoin topped out at 118 and some, as high as 120 as well. But we've been selling and selling ever since it broke the structure here at about 123, 125 here on the weekly. And we've been selling after the halving and everything. And I pulled out a lot of crypto at about 118 and put it over in our wallets and saving it for a rainy day, right? And then dollar cost average back down. And you can see we've been in a bearish cycle, started around October 2025. So we've just been selling. A lot of people have been trying to buy the correction on this, but my mind really kind of changed when we got to about 80. I was waiting for 59K, 54K. That is something that I've been waiting for, and I just had a revelation. Why are you waiting? What are you doing, or what are you not doing? And what I wasn't doing, since I was so adamant on waiting for 59K, I said, you need to sell. And our team started selling. Okay, we started selling around 80, 82, and we sold again at about 77, and we just stayed in this sell. Today, we were talking about a sale for months, and we've been talking about buying Bitcoin for months at 54, 59, 54. So I want to let you know our team we just now are putting positions in. We're putting positions in. Again, you don't have to. This is for educational. This is something I'm doing. Educational purposes only. This is something I'm doing right now. So I have positions now available. I am out of my cell. I'm out of my cell. And this was over 17,000 pips, almost 18,000 pips, this particular trade we were in. And now I'm going to give you some hope. When you look at the fear and greed, right now it's about 12. I've seen it as low as 10. And when everybody's running, this is the time where the big boys is looking at, hey, it's time to go into the market and start buying up some of what everybody is selling, because you can't buy unless everybody's selling. And so success leaves clues. So what you want to do, what I'm doing while everybody is running, I'm starting to buy again. My lowest position going right before the halving, right during the halving, got to like 54. We had 24. I actually took profits on the double and went back in on 54. And 54 was my lowest, and I cashed out when it was at 118. So now we're about to do it again. And fear and greed is at 12. So this is the time that, in my opinion, educational opinion here, that we want to start dollar cost averaging. We did start a little dollar cost averaging at 65, We got to 65, 63, and then we came down and almost hit 59, but came back up. See that hammer, but boom, came right back down yesterday and today, and we tagged 59,759. So I put in some positions here. We've got some lower positions as well. We got some lower positions, but I was looking at this wick over here back in February 2026, and this is why I was looking for this bounce to happen here. So this, I believe, this is a good area, in my opinion. That what I'm doing, what our team is doing, is actually putting in some positions right here, and we could get a nice little pullback. If it decides to pull back, that's good. We'll take some profits on the double with Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Shiba, Pepe, all those altcoins that are bleeding. This is the time where you wanna buy when they're bleeding, right? And so even if we get a little pullback, that would be good. Anything that you get on the double, take half on the double, and look for this to come back down. And even if we break 59, I'm looking at anywhere between 54 and 52. We can go back on the weekly and we can see that we have some wicks, some liquidity down here in this area here around 51. So this would probably, in my opinion, I think that this would be the one that would scare everybody in the market psychology. Is like, it's time to run and get out. And so we will dollar cost average from 59, 65, 59, and then even as low as 49, and start to look to see this work its way back up. Okay, if we just keep going, well, we've got our lowest positions in, and we can see this over the rest of the year work its way back up to even 80K before we get a correction. Okay, and so that's what I'm looking for. When should I buy? I think you should buy when you feel your sentiment, your gut is saying this is the time to buy. And this is what we're doing here. I want to put some free game out for you guys, and also go to our Facebook community, Health and Wealth Facebook community. I'm going to get that into my links down there as well. If it's not already in there, I'm going to just come back in the next week. I'm going to have everything switched up and changed. Brokers that I'm using, okay, for crypto, and even when we're trading gold. Yeah, we've been trading gold as well with some Coinbase lets you trade gold as well. So we're trading gold on this platform, and we want you to be a part of that as well. As you can see, we've been selling gold. We've got a new strategy out called the 4-hour wick session strategy, and where you're actually teaching people how to understand why the market goes up and down, creating highs and lows and lower highs because of the sessions, and that's all I'm going to get into. But you can get on our program every Wednesday and Thursday live here on the Breakfast Club. You will also have that link in there for you guys to jump on that call as well. Free for you to see what we're doing. And I really believe gold is going to just come down here and wipe out, just totally wipe out everything back from, I want to say, here we go. Yeah, right here back in March 2026 is low, even in January 2026, because gold went on a parabolic move. And this is just a huge correction. What goes up must come down. And a lot of people were buying up gold, and they were also buying up silver. So if you're not trading silver, we're going to be trading silver. Matter of fact, let's look at silver too. Let's check out silver. Let's check out silver. Let's check out silver. All right. All right. So you can see silver right there. You can see silver. This is the DXY. We were saying DXY is coming up to take out Asia back in April of 2026. Okay. And the news came out. The news was real strong today. And the DXY definitely just took off. And that helped our silver trade down here, sell in our silver trade. As you can see, these blue lines are all TPs, and I think silver is going to bottom out, okay, somewhere around 61, okay, somewhere around 61. Let me see, somewhere around 61. We look at the 4 hour here, and I got a potential buy just sitting there waiting. 67, just sitting there waiting. We have a lot of liquidity down here in this area. Took out liquidity from London, Asia, and New York sessions. These are sessions. And we're looking for silver to come all the way down about 67 and as low as 61. So if you want to buy up some silver, private assets down here around 61. Okay, this is going to be huge. This is all free game. This is all educational. Okay, this is something that I will be doing. I'm looking for. I've been buying up silver since silver was $32 an ounce, and now we're coming down to about 16. Okay, I mean 61, and that's what I'm looking for. So we may get a nice little pullback. Okay, somewhere around 60, 68 to either 67. And then I'm looking, especially if it breaks my trend line here, we'll look for it to come all the way down, okay, to 61. Okay, so 61 is like the floor, the basement, okay, for silver. So small little buy, we'll talk about that when we get to this area. But if you're buying if you like buying private assets, metals, gold, silver is in hot demand, especially with Nvidia being up there in top market share, huge in the trillions. So 61 is going to be good for me. That's what I'm going to be doing as far as silver is concerned. So guys, I just wanted to jump on here, share it with everybody. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Let us know how you like it. We do also trade NASDAQ, SPX. Okay, we do that as well. So just wanted to come on in and give you some heads up that Investopia is back on the scene. We're really excited about what we're going to be adding to the platform, and we want you guys to be a part of it. So, okay, until then, keep an eye on your crypto, and I will be talking to you soon.